In this video, we're going to talk about mass moving and adding of members between membership levels. So we'll go to members, mass move, add. And what this allows you to do is, let's say you have 100 members in a particular membership level, and for some reason you want to move them all out of that membership level and put them in a brand new one. You can do that here. Or you don't want to move them out. You want to have them stay in that original membership level, but you want to add them to a new one for some reason. And this could be, a certain scenario that we see out there pretty commonly is someone will be releasing, say, a modular course, and they'll be sort of doing it live. So people will go through a launch process. If people get all signed up, maybe they'll immediately get access to module 1, and then a week later you're going to release module 2. So when you go to do that release, you've created a module 2 level, you've given that module access to all the appropriate content, and now you want to take everybody that's in your membership site and you want to add them to that module 2 so they get access to the content. That's one scenario. There's probably tons of others out there, but this tool right here will allow you to do that. So here, let's just look at our gold level here. We have one member in that, and if we wanted to take all of those members and add them to this demo level, we would just select the demo level and we would click add here. And you'll see here, you're about to add the members of gold to demo. Please do not leave this page while you're adding your members. Do you want to proceed? Hit yes. And that will then go through the process of actually adding them, anyone who's in the gold level, to that demo level. So if we hit close, then we see now that we have this demo level and we now have 2 people in it because we had 2 in our gold. So that's essentially the add. If we want to come over here to demo, and we'll select gold, and we're going to do move. So this is actually going to move them out of the demo level into the gold level. We'll hit close and it will refresh, and now you'll see we no longer have anybody in this demo level. Okay, so that's the difference between add and move. This tool allows you to do it in bulk very, very easily.